Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to perform factory reset for your TP-Link RE190 using the external method, not by the app, by pressing the button. So right here I have this Wi-Fi extender, and you can see the reset button located right here. Here's a little gap, and I would recommend using this needle that works for any phone to open any SIM card. You should have one of these lying in your house. If you don't, then just use anything that fits in here and simply stick it in and push it gently and wait till the process, all lights turn off. Now you can let go and our device will start the hard reset. So right here we can't find our device, and in order to actually connect it to the app, we'll need to scroll down our toolbar, go for the Wi-Fi networks, check for available networks, and here you should have TP-Link extender, connect to it. Now let's go back, select the device in the Tether app, and we'll begin setup. Enter the password for our device. I'm gonna keep it simple with 123. You can show the password if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, and after doing everything we can create the password. Sometimes error occurs, we need to try connecting again. Let's go back and connect to TP-Link extender, select device again. So now the password is already set and we can manage our networks. First pick the 2.4 GHz network. For me it's gonna be this one. Press next, then next. Now 5 GHz network. Next, next. So we have both networks connected and we can move to the next step. Then apply. And from here we need to wait till the settings are applied. It may take a few minutes, so just stay with me. So now it's ready. Here you have some information on how to set up your device. You have this instruction on where to put this adapter, and the next one is the lights, how they should look like. For me it's like this, so it's perfect. Location looks good, and we'll move to next settings, then press done, confirm that you're connected, and device is ready. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.